Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. As the days grow longer and nature awakens, it's the perfect time to refresh your farmhouse with early spring charm. Today, we're exploring fresh, simple decor ideas that bring warmth and renewal to every corner of your home. Whether you're a farmhouse enthusiast or just beginning your journey, these approachable tips will help you create spaces that feel inviting and seasonally inspired. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for spring, and drop a comment telling us your favorite farmhouse element. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. Start with a fresh coat of classic white or soft gray paint on your siding, then add black or dark bronze hardware for timeless contrast. Position symmetrical planters flanking your front door, filled with early spring blooms like tulips, daffodils, or pansies in galvanized metal containers. A simple wooden wreath adorned with eucalyptus and white ribbon creates understated elegance. Consider updating your porch light fixtures to matte black lantern-style sconces and add a vintage-inspired house number plaque. These touches create architectural interest while maintaining that authentic farmhouse aesthetic everyone loves. Your entryway should balance beauty with purpose. Install a shiplap wall as a backdrop for a row of black iron hooks, perfect for coats, hats, and lightweight spring scarves. Below, position a weathered wooden bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage, keeping clutter contained while adding texture. Above the bench, hang a large rustic mirror with a distressed wood frame to reflect natural light and visually expand the space. Layer a natural fiber runner or vintage-inspired floral mat to define the area. On the bench, add a simple white ceramic vase with fresh greenery. This combination creates a mudroom aesthetic that's both hardworking and Instagram-worthy. The farmhouse living room thrives on comfortable, lived-in elegance. Anchor your space with a neutral linen or cotton slipcover sofa. This foundation allows seasonal flexibility. Add a reclaimed wood coffee table with visible grain and imperfections that tell a story. Layer in texture through chunky knit throw blankets in cream or soft sage, and incorporate mixed pillow patterns, ticking stripes, buffalo check, and linen solids. Position a vintage ladder against the wall as a blanket display. The key to modern farmhouse design is balancing rustic elements with clean lines, creating spaces that feel collected over time rather than overly coordinated or staged. Spring refreshing doesn't require a complete overhaul. Swap heavy winter textiles for lighter fabrics in soft pastels. Think blush pink, pale yellow, or mint green. Display white ceramic pitchers filled with flowering branches from your yard. Forsythia, cherry blossoms, or pussy willows bring the outdoors in affordably. Incorporate botanical prints in simple wood frames, leaning them casually on mantels or shelves rather than hanging them formally. Add a galvanized metal tray on your coffee table styled with vintage books, a small potted succulent, and a candle in a mercury glass holder. These vignettes create visual interest using the principle of threes that designers rely on for balanced styling. Your farmhouse dining room should feel ready for both everyday meals and special occasions. Center the space with a solid wood farmhouse table, preferably with a natural or whitewashed finish. Surround it with a mix of seating, ladder-back wooden chairs, and a long upholstered bench for that collected-over-time look. Overhead, install a statement chandelier with wrought iron details or a modern farmhouse wagon wheel design. For spring, drape a linen table runner in natural flax or soft blue down the center. Layer in white ironstone dishes, simple glassware, and vintage silverware. This foundation allows you to easily transition between casual family dinners and styled holiday celebrations. The centerpiece makes or breaks your dining aesthetic. For spring, create a low arrangement that allows conversation to flow. Nothing taller than 12 inches. Use a wooden dough bowl or long metal tray as your base. Then fill it with a combination of pillar candles in varying heights, small potted herbs like rosemary or lavender, and scattered decorative eggs or ceramic bunnies for whimsy. Alternatively, line the center with individual bud vases, each holding a single stem of seasonal flowers. Add woven placemats in natural fiber beneath simple white plates, and tie napkins with twine and a sprig of greenery. This approach embodies the farmhouse philosophy: simple, natural, and effortlessly beautiful. The farmhouse kitchen balances aesthetics with serious functionality. If budget allows, paint upper cabinets in classic white or cream, keeping lower cabinets in a contrasting navy, sage, or natural wood tone for depth. Install open shelving on at least one wall, styled with everyday white dishes, wooden cutting boards standing vertically, and vintage glassware. Replace cabinet hardware with cup pulls and knobs in matte black, oil-rubbed bronze, or brushed brass. This small change dramatically updates the space. Inside glass front cabinets, add peel-and-stick beadboard wallpaper for texture. These updates create that coveted farmhouse kitchen aesthetic without a complete renovation, proving strategic changes deliver maximum impact. Kitchen surfaces should be beautiful yet practical. Near your stove, keep a large ceramic crock holding wooden spoons and spatulas, both useful and decorative. Display your small coffee machine on a wooden cutting board tray with a vintage-inspired canister set for coffee and sugar nearby. Style your refrigerator's top with a large woven basket holding rarely used items, flanked by faux greenery in a galvanized container. On open counters, use a 3-tiered metal stand for fresh fruits, adding visual height and freeing up surface area. Add a farmhouse sink with an antique-inspired faucet, and keep a white ceramic soap dispenser and brush holder beside it. Every element should earn its place through beauty and purpose. The family room is where comfort reigns supreme. Position a plush sectional in a durable fabric like performance linen facing your flat-screen TV, which should be mounted above or placed within a shiplap-backed media console in distressed wood. Flank the TV with tall white ceramic vases or rustic lanterns for balance. Add a large jute or wool rug to define the seating area and absorb sound. Include an oversized ottoman that serves as both footrest and extra seating, topped with a wooden tray to prevent drink rings. Layer in various lighting, a floor lamp with an Edison bulb for ambience, and table lamps with linen shades for task lighting. This room should feel like a warm hug, lived in but intentionally designed. Transform your family room for spring with strategic swaps. Exchange heavy throw blankets for lightweight cotton or waffle weave options in white or pale neutrals. Add spring-colored pillows in soft greens, buttery yellows, or robin's egg blue, but keep patterns simple: stripes, checks, or solids. On floating shelves or built-ins, style with a mix of books, some stacked horizontally, some vertically, small potted plants, and vintage finds like old shutters or architectural fragments. Bring in a potted fiddle leaf fig or snake plant for vertical interest and air purification. On the coffee table, style a wooden dough bowl with lemons or moss balls for a pop of spring color. These touches refresh without requiring storage of seasonal items. Today's farmhouse includes designated workspace. Position a unique writing desk in weathered wood or painted white near a window for natural light, essential for productivity and mood. Add a comfortable upholstered chair with wooden legs that blend work and home aesthetics. On the desk, keep a small vintage-style radio for background ambience and a unique small desk clock, perhaps in brass or with a wooden base. Install floating shelves above for necessary books and binders, but style them with decorative elements: a small succulent, a framed inspirational print, and woven baskets for corralling supplies. Mount a pegboard painted in a soft color for hanging calendars, notes, and small office tools. This space proves that functional areas can be as beautiful as display spaces. Every farmhouse deserves a reading nook. that special corner dedicated to quiet moments. Position a comfortable slip-covered armchair or wingback chair near a window, with a small side table within arm's reach for your coffee or tea. Add a floor lamp with an adjustable arm for directed reading light, choosing one with farmhouse details like a tripod base or industrial cage. Layer the chair with a soft throw and a single accent pillow. Nearby, install a narrow built-in bookshelf or use a vintage ladder as leaning book storage. On the side table, keep only essentials: a coaster, a candle, and perhaps a small potted plant. This minimalist approach creates a restorative space free from clutter and distractions. The farmhouse bedroom should feel like a retreat. Center the room with an upholstered linen headboard or a reclaimed wood headboard with natural imperfections. Dress the bed in crisp white bedding. This creates a hotel-like foundation you can seasonally accent. For spring, add a lightweight quilt in soft florals or muted stripes at the foot of the bed. Layer with Euro shams, standard shams, and decorative pillows, maintaining a cohesive neutral palette with one or two accent colors. Flank the bed with matching nightstands in natural wood, each topped with a simple lamp with a linen shade. Above the bed, hang a large-scale piece of art, a vintage window frame, or a simple wreath. This creates a focal point without overwhelming the restful atmosphere. Spring bedroom updates focus on lightness and renewal. Swap heavy drapes for sheer linen curtains in white or cream, allowing natural light to filter softly through. Replace dark winter throws with a light cotton blanket in powder blue or sage green. On your nightstand, place a small white ceramic vase with a single stem of fresh flowers or flowering branches changed weekly. Add a woven basket at the foot of your bed for extra blanket storage that doubles as texture. Consider switching out your existing pillows covers for ones in subtle spring patterns. Think delicate florals, ticking stripes, or linen with simple embroidery. These changes cost little but transform the room's entire mood, proving that seasonal decorating is about thoughtful layering rather than complete redecoration. Your farmhouse bathroom should feel clean, fresh, and spa-like. Around your wastafel or vanity sink, install a framed mirror, preferably vintage or with a distressed wood frame for character. Update the faucet to an antique-inspired design in bronze or matte black for instant elevation. Store everyday items in woven baskets on open shelving or inside a whitewashed cabinet. Display fresh white towels rolled or folded on a wooden ladder leaning against the wall. Add a soap dispenser and toothbrush holder in ceramic or glass. Avoid plastic to maintain the elevated aesthetic. In the shower, install a rainfall shower head and use a simple tension rod with a white or linen curtain. Keep surfaces minimal and clutter-free, proving that bathrooms can be both functional and beautiful. Spring bathroom updates center on freshness and renewal. Add a small potted plant like a fern or eucalyptus on the windowsill or vanity. Bathroom's humidity benefits many plants. Replace heavy winter hand towels with lightweight waffle weave or linen options in white or soft pastels. Place a glass jar filled with cotton balls or bath salts on the counter for both function and visual interest. Introduce a subtle scent through a reed diffuser in lavender, eucalyptus, or citrus. Nothing overpowering. In a decorative bowl, display natural sponges or handmade soaps wrapped in paper. On the wall, hang a small botanical print in a simple frame. These touches transform your bathroom from purely utilitarian to a space where self-care feels like a luxury experience. The farmhouse garage is often overlooked but deserves attention. Install pegboard panels painted in barn red or classic white for tool organization that doubles as visual interest. Use vintage-style metal bins and galvanized buckets to corral smaller items like gardening gloves, seed packets, or car washing supplies. If space allows, position a sturdy workbench made from reclaimed wood with open shelving below for storage. Add task lighting with industrial-style fixtures that provide practical illumination while enhancing the aesthetic. Mount vintage advertising signs or old license plates for personality without sacrificing function. Keep the floor clear with wall-mounted bike racks and overhead storage for seasonal items. A well-organized garage extends your farmhouse aesthetic beyond living spaces, creating cohesive design throughout your entire property. As spring arrives, your patio becomes an extension of your home. Define the space with an outdoor rug in natural fiber or a weather-resistant pattern that echoes your interior style. Arrange comfortable seating, Adirondack chairs, a wooden bench with cushions, or a vintage porch swing suspended from ceiling beams. Add a round metal table for morning coffee or evening dinners. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Position large planters with seasonal flowers like petunias, geraniums, or herbs you can snip for cooking. Include a galvanized metal bucket filled with ice as a beverage station during gatherings. Hang a vintage thermometer or metal wall art on exterior walls. Your patio should blur the lines between indoor comfort and outdoor freedom. Welcome spring outdoors with fresh updates to your patio space. Add outdoor cushions and pillows in weather-resistant fabrics featuring spring colors, soft greens, yellows, or classic blue and white stripes. Create a small herb garden in galvanized containers near your seating area. Basil, rosemary, and mint add fragrance and functionality. Hang a simple wreath made from grapevine and early spring flowers on your exterior door or wall. Place lanterns with LED candles on tables and steps for gentle evening lighting. Add a rustic wooden sign with a welcoming message or seasonal quote. Set up a small potting bench if you're a gardener, keeping it styled with vintage tools and terracotta pots, even when not in use. Your patio becomes a destination rather than an afterthought. There you have it. Fresh, simple spring farmhouse decor ideas for every room in your home. Remember, farmhouse style isn't about perfection. It's about creating warm, welcoming spaces that reflect your life and personality. Start with one room, implement the tips that resonate with you, and build from there. Mix vintage finds with new pieces. Embrace imperfection, and let your home tell your unique story. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in its accessibility. You don't need a big budget, just creativity and intention. If you found these ideas helpful, please subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing which room you're tackling first this spring. Happy decorating, and here's to a beautiful, refreshed farmhouse that welcomes the season ahead.